Should I hire a private investigator if my spouse is lying? If you find yourself questioning whether your spouse is being truthful during a divorce, you might wonder if hiring a private investigator is the right move. This decision requires careful thought about the potential benefits and challenges involved. A private investigator can help gather evidence that may be relevant to your case. For instance, if you suspect your spouse is hiding assets or engaging in financial misconduct, a private investigator could locate these hidden items. This information could play a role in how property is divided or affect alimony decisions. Additionally, if there are concerns about your spouse's behavior that could impact child custody, a private investigator might provide information that supports your position. For example, if you believe your spouse is engaging in risky conduct, the investigator could gather evidence to support your claims about what is in the best interest of the children. However, it is important to note that in many places, including no-fault divorce states, the reasons for divorce do not usually influence how property is divided or custody is determined. Courts often prioritize equitable distribution and the welfare of children over assigning blame for marital issues. Therefore, even if a private investigator uncovers evidence of dishonesty, it may not directly change the legal outcomes regarding assets or custody. Before deciding to hire a private investigator, consider the following practical aspects. First, the cost can be significant. Private investigators can charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per hour, and their services may not always yield useful or admissible evidence. You should weigh whether the potential benefits justify this financial investment. Next, think about the emotional toll. Engaging a private investigator can prolong the stress of divorce proceedings and complicate negotiations. Additionally, some investigative methods may raise legal or ethical concerns that could negatively affect your case if the evidence is obtained improperly. In some situations, the information a private investigator provides can give you leverage in settlement discussions. It can clarify the full financial picture or expose behaviors relevant to custody, allowing you to negotiate from a stronger position. Ultimately, deciding to hire a private investigator should be based on specific issues in your divorce, the laws in your area regarding divorce and evidence, your financial ability to afford a private investigator without compromising other legal expenses, and whether the potential findings could realistically influence your case's outcome. Consulting with a divorce attorney before making this decision is wise. An attorney can help you assess whether hiring a private investigator would be beneficial and guide you on the best way to gather evidence that supports your case while complying with legal standards.